Hi guys, my name is Tim and I'm here to show you a quick and efficient way to split wood that makes it easy to stack, easy to store, and it dries quickly, and your fireplace will stay hot and burning all winter long. So my brother here is going to be helping because, well, we need somebody to stack the wood, and he's kind of the expert on that. I'm going to be splitting the wood, and I hope you enjoy the video. So what we have here today is a Troy-built wood splitter, slightly modified because the engine before used to be a 5.5 horsepower engine, but now my dad changed it up, made it a 7 horsepower engine, so it had a bit more kick, you get more splitting power. And now I'm going to show you how to start it. So what you need to do is you have to have the choke right here. This is where the choke is. This is no choke, choke. This is the gas. Turtle is less gas. Rabbit's more gas. And over here we have the starter. If you want to start it, you're gonna have to put it on. Otherwise, all your pulling is not gonna do anything. Something? There we go. I'm gonna start time lapse basically.
Сначала раскали один.